Here is the Honda CR-V. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Max Automotive for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Toronto, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory. Now, in order to get to the license plate lights, we need to first open up the hatch, get it up like halfway through. Now, to get the light out, you gotta push it right and then out, like so. Push it right, and then while you're pushing right, apply a force outwards, like upwards. Okay, so I'm going to show you a different angle. Push it right and up. That's it. Now it's unclipped. Now this is the tricky part. There is no easy way to get it out. You just have to sort of fumble around with it, and it even took me a couple minutes to actually just get it out. So unfortunately there is no easy clean way to just get it out. You have to fumble around once it's out to be able to actually get it out. Once it's out though, it's easy. You just have to press on the clips over there. There's two clips. There's one over there and the other one on the other side. Just press that and then pull the lens out. That's it. Now once the lens is out, the bulb is right over there. In order to get the bulb out, all you have to do is just grab it and pull it out straight. Now it may not come out because of moisture and stuff. It's probably stuck on there, so you may have to wiggle it left and right. Be patient with it. It's going to take a few seconds, but it's going to come right out. Right? Just keep on wiggling it and pulling out straight, and the bulb will come out. There it is. Once the bulb is out, let's take a closer look at it. It's a simple single filament bulb. The bulb size number is 168 or 194 or T10. Again, 168, 194 or T10. Get the new bulb, push it in the bulb holder there, and that's it. Now it's secured in place. Now make sure the bulb holder is positioned the way I'm showing and the lens is positioned the way I'm showing over here, with that clip sort of pointing to the right. That's it. Align it, push it close, and now it's done. Now when you're putting it back to, it's the same struggle unfortunately, but get it in, and that side with the clip, the right side, make sure that goes on first in. Like you push down on that, and then you sort of try to push that light to the right and down. Again, you'll probably have to fiddle with it for a few minutes, but that's pretty much it. Unfortunately I couldn't get a cleaner view, or else I would have done it. But yeah, hopefully found the video useful.